Hi everyone! In this video we're going to do some pronunciation practice with minimal pairs. A minimal pair is two words that have one sound which is different. For example, ship and sheep, or fun and fan. The sounds that we're going to practice today exist in both standard British and American English. This is a practical video, it's basically a drill, so I'm not going to stop and describe how to form these sounds. But if you want some explanations, I have a series of videos in which I explain the British vowel sounds in detail. If you'd like to watch that, you'll find the link in the description. This is very simple. I'll say one word, you repeat it. I'll say the second word, you repeat it. Then I'll say the two words together and you try to repeat that. Let's start. First, let's look at words with a and a. But, bat, but, bat. Cup, cap, cup, cap. Run, ran, run, ran. Bunk, bank, bunk, bank. Now let's try some words with a and e. Man, men, man, men. Sad, said, sad, said. And, end, and end. Pat, pet, pat, pet. Before we continue, I'd just like to do a little self-promotion. Let's call it what it is. Towards the end of last year, I released an advanced vocabulary course with over 300 advanced English words. If you'd like to receive a discount for that, or if you'd just like to see a preview, you can click the link in the description. Let's now try some words with e and I. Set, sit, set, sit. Jest, gist, jest, gist. Pen, pin, pen, pin. Desk, disc, desk, disc. Here are some words with I and E. Ship, sheep, ship, sheep. Did, deed, did, deed. grin, green, grin, green, is, ease, is, ease. And now some with e and a. Sell, sail, sell, sail. Get, gate, get, gate. Let, late, let, late. Bread, braid, bread, braid. Now a and a. Rat, rate, rat, rate. Man, main, man, main. Lack, lake, lack, lake. Clam, claim, clam, claim. So far we've just looked at vowel sounds. Now let's look at some words to practice consonants. First we have b and p. Big, pig, big, pig. Base, pace, base, pace. Cab, cap, cab, cap. And now v and b. Van, ban, van, ban. Very, berry, very, berry. Vowel, bowl, vowel, bowl. Dove, dub, dove, dub. Now v and f. Van, fan, van, fan. Vine, fine, vine, fine. Leave, leaf. Leave, leaf. Save, safe. Save, safe. Now, v and w. Vest, west. Vest, west. Vain, wain. Vain, wain. Veil, whale. Veil, whale. Vine, wine. Vine, wine. And finally, let's practice f and p. Foot, put. Foot, put. Flan, plan. Flan, plan. Cuff, cup. Cuff, cup. Leaf, leap. Leaf, leap. That's it, everyone. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And remember that if you'd like to enroll in my advanced vocabulary course, the link for that is in the description. I also send out free advanced English email lessons every 2 weeks, and if you'd like to subscribe to those, you'll also find the link in the description. See you next time. Which I explain to stop and describe advanced and now some with and now some with and